Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got some exciting news for all you Samsung fans out there. Samsung has just announced a software update for the Galaxy S24 lineup, addressing some key concerns raised by users regarding the display and camera functionalities. One of the major updates includes the introduction of more display setting options. Users will now have the flexibility to adjust the vividness level of the display with a simple slider under the display settings menu. This update comes in response to feedback from users who found the current vivid setting to be too washed out. Reports from Samsung's user forums and Reddit highlighted these concerns, prompting Samsung to take action. Renowned leaker Ice Universe hinted at this update, suggesting that Samsung was actively working on a fix to address these display issues. But that's not all. Samsung is also rolling out enhancements to various camera functions, including zoom, night mode, portrait mode, and video recording capabilities. Some users had reported issues with the S24 Ultra's zooming capabilities and complained about grainy portraits. Samsung is now addressing these concerns with updates aimed at improving overall camera performance. Additionally, the software update is set to improve language recognition and accuracy, further enhancing the functionality of the Galaxy S24's language translation tools as part of Galaxy AI. These language translation tools have been a standout feature of the Galaxy S24 lineup, and Samsung is committed to delivering a seamless and accurate experience for users worldwide. It's worth noting that Samsung isn't alone in facing challenges with a major smartphone launch. Apple also encountered issues with the iPhone 15 Pro, prompting a software update to address overheating concerns. With these updates, Samsung continues to demonstrate its dedication to providing the best possible user experience. So if you're a Galaxy S24 user, keep an eye out for the update rolling out starting February 22nd. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.